So guys, let's check the image view in details now. So what I will do is I will just delete this image view and I will go here and I will paste that image view here into my main activity. And okay, so as you can see I have image view here. Okay, so now we are going to look into more details in scale type attribute for image view. So let's add some margin top to this image view and I will write 50 dp. Okay, and gravity I will make it center. Okay, so let me import one image into our application. So in drawable I will just drag and drop one image I have, and that image I will put into drawable football-player.jpg. okay, I need to rename this as dash. I think dash is not allowed, so refactor rename player.jpg. okay, now in src I will write player, drawable player. Now as you can see my image originally it looks like this. Okay, but now in scale type center it is not looking appropriately, right? Okay, now if I change a height to wrap content, it is showing me exact image how it was, how originally it is. Now if I go to scale type, okay, if I don't want to go to scale type, I want to change the width and height according to my concern. So for the width I will give 150 dp and for the height I will write 250 dp. okay, now you can see how, okay, 220 dp I will write for height. Okay, now you can see how image is being shown with the gap on the left and right side. If you can see this, okay, let me add background. If background is working, then we get to know how. Okay, so see, background is orange and this image it has fit like this. Okay, so there are different scale types which I am going to tell you now. By default scale type is center. Okay, so these are the scale types. So center is the by default scale type. In center scale type, image is not scaled down or scaled up. The scaling is not done. Okay, so that is why image will be shown as it is. No scaling will be done. No scaling according to your image will be done, or no scaling according to your image view will be done for center. Okay, now we have center inside. Okay, if I give center inside, the image is showing as it is. Now center inside. Now into this scale type, the scale of the image is uniform. That means the aspect ratio of that image is maintained. Okay, so the aspect ratio will be same, and the height or width of this image will be scaled to the max of the height and width of image view. For example, your image is like this. Okay, your image has height and width like this. Okay, so your image will either match the width or match the height, and it will be scaled down accordingly. So for example, if this width it is only 50 dp, now you see width is matched and height it was increased or height is maintained with the aspect ratio. So here aspect ratio is maintained, whereas for center no aspect ratio is maintained. See, the image is going out. Why? Because no aspect ratio is maintained. But for center inside, aspect ratio will be maintained for either for height or either for width. Right? Now another scale type is fit center. Okay, so fit center it will scale the image from the center and it will maintain the aspect ratio and it will fit the image into the image view from center. Okay, from center it will grow, or from center it will enlarge up to the height or width, whichever is matching first, whichever is occupying first, it will occupy. Just like center inside, fit center also works the same. Okay, now next is fit center crop. Okay, center crop. See, we have seen center inside and fit center, which normally works same. Okay, but the center crop, it maintains the aspect ratio and it will change the image dimensions equal or to the larger of image view dimension. For example, see, it will maintain the image view dimensions. The meaning of center crop is no matter what size of image view you put, it has to occupy the entire image view. See, now I have done 50 as a width. Now I will do height 120. Okay, so center crop is mostly used in different animation or different kind of UI. Center crop is not generally used. Center inside, fit center and center, they are generally used. Fit center and center inside are mostly used. Okay, next is fit end. Fit end, what it will do, it will scale the image from the end of the container. So here container is our image view, so it will align that image to the end of this image view. So where this fit end is used, so for example, if the width of this image view is match parent and I want to show that image at the end, so it will show me at the end. If I do center in fit center, it will show me at the center, and if I write fit start, it will come to the start. It will just attach to the container. Okay, fit end will start from the end, fit start will start from the start, fit center will start from the center. Okay, center inside we have seen, center we have seen, fit center we have seen. Now we will see fit xy. See, fit xy is, it will not maintain any aspect ratio, but it will scale your image according to the size of the container. Container means image view. So here my width is match parent. So if suppose my width is 220 dp, so it will match like this. If my width is 150 dp, it will match like this. Okay, now this is fit xy. And one more, it is one more thing we have is matrix. So matrix is used to scale the image using the image matrix when drawing. Okay, so it is usually recommended to use this whenever you want to customize the way you want to rotate the image and scale the image. So for example, suppose my type is matrix type, and now I will do one thing. I will set width as match parent. Okay, and I will set height to match parent. maybe you will not see the effect here, but let me just try to change the image. IC underscore launcher foreground. Okay, so it is not showing here into this property, but let me import some image so you can see that. So I tried to find, but we don't have any image here. But what I can explain you is, whenever you set scale type is equal to matrix, so your image view is split into matrix format. The positioning is split into matrix format. See, this position is 0 0. Here it will be 0 1 0 2. Here it will be 0 0. Here it will be 1 0 2 0 3 0. Here 1.1 2 2 3 3. Okay, so according to that positioning, you can rotate, enlarge or move your image into the matrix. It is not generally used. There are very few cases where you want to develop a widget like round corner widget for positioning, or expandable widget for positioning the item. Then only matrix image view is used. Otherwise it is not used. So let's recall all the matrix scale types again. So center is a default. In center, image is not scaled down. Center inside and fits. Center inside is used where your image view will be aligned with the height and width of the container using aspect ratio or maintaining the aspect ratio. Fit center is also used for that. It will be expanded from the center of that container and maintaining the aspect ratio, and whichever height and width will be touched first, it will be stop scaling down, or whichever height and width will be occupied first, it will be stop scaling down. Fit XY, it will scale the image to the size of container, exact size of container, and it will not maintain any aspect ratio, right? So fit end and fit start. So fit end will start from the end of the container, and fit start will start from the start of the container. Okay, so this is how image view scale types are used.